Hi guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here, my name is Zane. Welcome, this is my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first PR unboxing. This PR box is from Laura's Boutique. I'll be linking it below, their IG and the site and everything, and also everything that I got. I do have a code that you can use. It will be Zane A. So please, if you want anything that you saw me wearing, go ahead and just click the link below and you can go ahead and purchase it that way. So yeah, don't mind the mess behind me. For every outfit that I will show you that I received, I will be pairing it with something that I would wear it with. Everything that I got I absolutely loved, and I am planning on wearing them already. So if you want to see this little PR unboxing slash clothing haul slash, you know, different outfit ideas, please keep watching. Okay, so for the first couple outfits, they're kind of more comfy, and then I will go into the more nighttime, more sexy outfits. So the first set that I received is a jogger set. So it came with these pants. So they're like a windbreaker material. They're really, really cute. These are in size medium. They were a little short on me. You'll see them in the next clip where I try everything on. But I'm just gonna stretch out the bottom and just wear them just a little higher up. It's totally fine. And it came with its matching jacket. So this was super cute because I've actually been wanting a windbreaker. I just never purchased one just because. This is also in a medium. It's definitely a crop top type windbreaker though. The pants are like a mid-high waist, I would say. I am a little taller. I'm 5'8", so my torso's a little longer. So things that are, if you're a little shorter than I am, they'll probably fit you a little better than they fit me. But other than that, I have no complaint. Okay guys, so this is the first set I received. It is a little two-piece like windbreaker set. It is a little short on me, but that's because I'm 5'8" and like a quarter or whatever. So I just have a lot of trouble finding pants that fit me. So if you're a little shorter than I am, these will fit you great. And then the top is really cute. You can even mix this up with like, you know, regular leggings. But it is a pretty thinner material. It's definitely not like a thicker windbreaker. But this is perfect for like springtime when it's like getting a little warmer but not too warm. This will still keep you a little, like I'm feeling a little warm in here. I just have it paired with my Adidas NMDs. The next one I'm going to show you guys is probably one of my favorite. I don't know, I'm going to say that for all of them. Sorry, the lighting. It's a two-piece, it's a hoodie, definitely very, very crop top or whatever. And then, my favorite part, came with these super freaking comfortable biker shorts. Now, this is literally, they've taken a pair of sweats and just cut them and just made them cute as fuck because it's literally so comfortable. I cannot wait to wear it. Okay, so this is another set I received. Oh my gosh, it is the most comfy set I think I've ever worn. And I'm definitely going to be wearing this, you know, when it starts getting a bit warmer. It's like a PJ style type of material. It's so soft, it's warm. And I have it paired with my Nike slides. But this set is so comfy. It's like that whole biker short style that's, you know, it's coming back from the 90s. Perfect for, you know, grocery shopping, running errands, stuff like that. So the next piece is so special to me because no one understands my struggle. I've struggled with this since I literally had my growth spurt of my tall phase. All of a sudden, I would have to say 7th, 8th grade. When I was younger, I was known as a tall girl. I was everything, you name it, giraffe, this, that, whatever. Giraffes are fucking cute. But I've been kind of stagnant to that growth spurt, so I shot up to like 5'8" and just stayed that way. So, but it obviously, even though some people may say that's not tall, which I agree, I don't believe that's tall. There's taller girls than me that probably struggle a lot more. But the fact that like even as 5'8", I have a lot of fucking trouble finding something that to wear because number one, I'm a little bit thicker in the butt area, so I have a little bit more fat back there. My waist is really small, so, and I'm tall. And my torso is long. So imagine the struggle it is to find like high-waisted pairs of jeans where I'm putting them on and they're so tight, like they fit perfectly on my thighs. I'm like, okay, hold them all the way up. My butt doesn't even fit in them, or my butt goes in and my thighs go in and my waist is like, I can take like 6 inches off from like that shit is annoying. And it got to the point where now, especially, I lost about 25 pounds in the past month. I went through really bad, like the flu killed me, y'all. I'm telling you, like, I can low-key see my fucking skeleton. Like, it's insane. So, I don't have anything that fits me anymore. I'm completely restarting my wardrobe, completely, on this channel. Everything you see is like, I'm starting over. Even my shoes, because all my other shoes were trash. So this next piece, back to, I know I rambled, back to the jeans. Yes, they're jeans, and they are the most amazing pair of jeans I think I've ever owned. And guess what? Yeah, they're freaking long, they fit me. I can even cut a little bit off because I do like a little bit of a raw hem. But they're the perfect, these are skinny type jeans, which is fine because I'm gonna cut them off a little bit. But they're so soft, they're so comfortable, and oh my gosh, they're for little, you know, curvy girls. I know I'm not like thick or anything, you know, where I need, you know, curvy ass jeans, but like I am a little curvy. Like these jeans like hug you. They fit, they were like made for me. I'm so in love. They were literally made for me. And I just can't thank Laura's Boutique enough for sending me this amazing piece because I'm literally gonna grab them in all the colors. White, I don't know what other color I need, blue, oh my gosh. It's just perfect. And I do show a couple different outfits with these jeans. They're just the new love of my life. The next piece, I was gonna say it's one of my favorites. Okay, I fucking love them all, okay? This piece is probably, yeah, I love it. The neckline on this is a square, so it's a little bit more like dainty, like more feminine, I don't know. But the neckline is really sexy, I like it. And it's a bodysuit. This is a size medium. I believe this is called the Kira bodysuit, but I will have everything linked down below. Another thing that I love about this that I want to thank them for is these pieces, usually they're like thick, so like it looks like you're wearing granny panties, right? These are like in the thong style, so you know it's still a little thick. Ladies, we all know onesies are not the most comfortable fucking thing out there, but it does make it a little easier that there's not that much material getting stuffed in the butt crack, you know what I'm saying? So I'm very grateful that this is like a thong style piece, and it's, I mean, it's so thick, like it's good ass quality, like it's really actually thick, and I love it. And the camera's not really picking up the color red, but it's like a deeper red than it's showing on camera. So these next two pieces I'm so in love with. Let me tell you about my freaking jeans story. So I owe now one pair of jeans, which is these. With these, they just hug you perfectly. And these are a size 26. And all my sizes will be linked down below, and I'm also tall. So when I got them, they were cuffed and I was like, oh man, they were a little short. Then I realized that I can unfold them. I unfolded them twice and they're pretty freaking long. Now I usually like a raw hem at the bottom, so I might just cut them because they're that long and I will still have enough length for me. Oh, and this bodysuit, look at this bodysuit, it's to die for. So I just have it paired with a black bag. These heels, I got them for a steal. Literally, I got them from Macy's. So I got them, they were $80. I got them for $27. That's 65% off. Like, and they're so cute. They're like a suede material. The next piece I really love. It's now the most sexiest piece in my wardrobe. This little lace halter. So it does come up with the thicker material halfway, but as you can see, it is a little see-through. So if you're, if you want a little bit more coverage, like I would put nipple coverings. I'm planning on wearing like those little chicle sticky boobs for more support because I am a little bigger breasted. I am 34 double D, in between double D to triple D. So I do have a little bit of trouble with shirts because it takes up a little bit of room and I have a long torso. So yeah, it's usually a struggle to find a good, supportive, comfy bra at the same time. And no. If you're a bigger breasted like me, this is not going to really support you. I would say, because this is a medium, I would probably fit in the large. I would probably fit in the large for the boobs. The only problem is it'll probably be a little looser around like the back area, which I have a tiny back area. But honestly, I could make it work with a sticky boobs for sure. And then these do tighten, which, oh my god, I'm so grateful when I see a shirt like this has, because you never know. So I could make it a little bit tighter for more support. Same jeans paired with this top. So this top, I love it. I believe this is a medium. If you are bigger breasted like I am a 34 between double to triple D. So I would definitely have to wear like sticky boobs for support and to tighten up the straps, which by the way, I really like that you can do that. But this is so cute. So it's really sexy for a date night. So here is the same outfit paired with some nude pumps. Really love these. And then I just threw on like, I have this, it's a pink satchel bag from Michael Kors. But something like this would be really, really cute, really sexy for a date night. Or, night out to the clubs, bar hopping. I don't do any of that, but I'd probably wear this out on a date with John. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Those are all the outfits and clothes that I got from Laura's Boutique for my PR. I just want to give a big shout out and thanks to Laura's Boutique again. I seriously love and appreciate you guys. Oh, I didn't even read the little note that I got. So I did get a little note. It says, Zane, thank you so much for the support. We appreciate you. My cats. Thomas! Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the love and support. It means so much to me. Thank you for watching this little PR, my first PR unboxing. my first little clothes haul and what to kind of wear, outfit inspos. Please don't forget to like, share, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you know whenever I post. I do post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I have many more videos to come, so please stay tuned. I'll see you guys next video.